everyone, it's Miss Susan and welcome to another snack attack. I'm so excited, it's the holidays. It's just a week or so before Christmas, and so for today's snack attack, I thought I'd do something fun and create some sort of sweet treat. So today, we're gonna be making these, oops, so sorry. We're gonna make these candied pretzels. Doesn't that look so fun and delicious? And the great thing about this is it only takes just 3 ingredients. You're gonna need some pretzels, and the kind of pretzels that you're looking for are these are called snap pretzels, but basically you're looking for ones that have this waffle pattern. So we need a flat surface. Next, you're gonna need, it's called Candy Melts. I chose white, but they come in a variety of different colors. I found these at my local Walmart. You can try checking out a Michael's craft store or Joann fabric store. They might have these too, or Myers, but I found these at Walmart. So we're just gonna use white. And last but not least, M&ms. This is what helps to give it its color and definitely sweet sparkle on top of it. And the fantastic thing about M&ms is it's changed over time. This is just your classic plain M&ms, but you could use peanut M&ms. They have brownie filled M&ms and peanut butter filled M&ms. So you have a lot of choices with this type of recipe. So last but not least, you're gonna need a plate and you're gonna need a microwave. And that's it, that's all you have to do. So the first thing that I need everybody to do is you're gonna take your plate, you're just gonna add some pretzels to it. Simple, right? Pretty simple. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to take enough of the candy melts that'll be able to go on top of each pretzel. You just lay them right there on top. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to melt these. That's what the goal is. We don't wanna put it in the microwave for too long or else it'll melt too much, and next thing you know, it'll go through all of the holes inside of my pretzels, and we don't want that to happen. So we're only gonna microwave it for 1 minute. That's it. We just wanna soften it so that we can add our M&ms to the top of it. So I already did this once. My plate is really warm, so some of these candy melts are melting. Sorry, let me get these out of the way. All right, so let's go ahead and stick it in the microwave. Remember, just 1 minute will do. Let me scoot that around, hang on a second. One fell off, get back on there. Okay, so 1, 0, 0, and then wait. Okay, so 1 minute has passed. I just wanna let you know this plate is gonna be super hot. Feels hot, grab a pot holder. But, yep, everything has melted. It's got a little shimmer to it. Sorry if this is a challenge to see. So, last but not least, all you have to do is put the M&ms right on top. So let me show you. Let me just do one. So basically, all you're gonna do is just take an M&M, put it in the center, and then press it down. And there you have it, your holiday treat. Super simple. And oh, so delicious. I love it. You have to give this a try. If you do, tell me, what color candy melt did you use? Excuse me, did you use regular M&ms or did you try something different? Let me know either in the comments below or shoot me an email at kids2@maple.org. I'd love to see what you thought about this sweet treat. So again, my name is Miss Susan. I'm with the Madison Area Public Library. Thanks so much for joining me for another snack attack. Have fun, have a wonderful holiday, and we'll see you next time. Bye.